Okay.
We're going to open up the primary on this thing and check the main drive chain on it because it needs periodic maintenance just like any other motorcycle, and this one sees more abuse than most. So we're going to do this before it gets too close to the start of racing season. Actually, let's start with the lower one. This might require the aid of a screwdriver. There it is. Oh. Well, that's neat.
What is it?
Zoom in on this. So, this is the primary drive of an open class Harley hill climber. And it's a good thing we're doing an inspection on it because right down here is our plastic adjusting block that holds tension on the chain. As you can see, there's plenty of tension on it. But what we also have is a chain that is about half melted through this block. And it looks like we're getting some material building up too. So we're gonna have to disassemble this, do quite a bit of cleaning. There's a lot of dirt getting in there too. And get this revitalized. Let's see if we can get this out of here. Okay. Look at that. A lot of horsepower being contained by a piece of plastic. You can see here too, the chain does not move very freely, it's very stiff. So we're going to replace this whole thing. See if I can get it. Very dry, very stiff, so you can tell it really got overheated. In fact, you can see the wear marks where it was chewing up on that plastic. And it's gotten a little rusty from sitting all winter. So we'll get that replaced. We finally got a nice day, so we're back out in the shop putting the open bike back together again. Got our new adjuster block on the primary chain. This is the old one we removed. This is what a brand new one looks like, so you can see how much got chewed out of there. So now we just got to tighten up the bolts on this one, get our primary put back together, and see if we can get this thing fired up yet today. Okay. Now that we got our new chain installed, we're going to hit it with some chain lube. Doesn't take much, just enough to keep it all slippery. And that should help us avoid getting a situation like the one we just took out where everything was bound up. There, all the way around.
All right then.
There we go. Decent tension on the chain. We don't want it too tight, but we don't want it flopping around either. All right, let's get the cover on. There we go. Got it.